I will give a few information together with Rosanna about the CiA organization, but for the others, there is a 50-minute break, and in 50 minutes, Peter is back with information on the isobus. First, I will give some general information on the CAN automation user group. You know that the CiA was established in 1992 and has about 700 members nowadays. So this was a big organization now. We have an office in Germany, and there we manage all our activities. The aim of the association is to promote the image of CAN and to provide a path for future developments of the CAN technology. And you have seen just one from Peter, that we are supporting the CAN-FD protocol and also then the higher layer protocols, not only J1939, but also CAN Open and other technologies. Whatever is available based on CAN, we try to support this and we try to market that. For this purpose, we have a lot of marketing activities, and Rosanna will talk about in the next slides of some of these activities which we have in the pipeline and what is planned. There's also an important thing which is called social networking. So it is not just that we network ECUs, we also network experts in different companies, and they exchange experiences and knowledges in the community. And this is a very important activity, in particular for small and medium-sized companies. But not for those only, but also for the big ones. Sometimes the big ones need to cooperate with small and medium-sized companies and members. And we, in the CAN community or in the CiA community, there's a lot of activities regarding this social networking. But nevertheless, the main objective is the development of specifications and technical reports in order to enable the development of interoperable components and devices. For that, we have technical groups. We have the technical committee, which observes and maintains and supervises all the interest groups. And the interest groups, we have the lower layer interest group, which deals with the CAN XL specification with CAN-FD Lite, which is a new protocol based on CAN-FD. And we have also for electromagnetic compatibility, we have a special interest group. We have then for the higher layer protocols oriented, those regarding CAN Open and CAN Open FD, with some sub-layered special interest groups, all doing some specification work. And in total, we have about more than 20,000 pages of specifications developed, and we have to maintain them. And one major part is in the profiles. This is similar to that what J1939 is doing, and some of them have been mapped to J1939. And we have profiles for I/O modules, for electrical drives, for fluid power, for subsea, for lift, for weighing, for a lot of different applications, which maybe is not in your scope, but you see that we deal and we try to use the experience from one group and to bring this into the other groups. And we have also a special interest group, J1939, where we try to harmonize things because the CiA organizations, we are in most of the J1939 based protocols and profiles we are involved, so that we try to harmonize things and look that this is not going different directions. We also have a special interest group, an interest group in security and safety. This is not that active because this is just observing what the others group are doing regarding security and safety. Mainly, this is in the moment a not so active group because a lot of those things are not highly standardized. They are still proprietary solved, and we hope this will change in the future. Okay, I think most of the working groups in the moment are meeting online. The next online meeting for the interest group J1939, which is maybe is in your interest, is on the 15th of June from 9 to 10:30 Central European Summer Time. And this is an open meeting. This means everybody can participate and see what we are doing. So this is, so to say, an open house meeting during the International CAN conference. And we invite you to participate to get maybe some ideas what we are doing in this group. And maybe you like then to participate regularly if you see what we are doing. We have also a lot of services, as I mentioned. So you see that anything is going around the CiA documents. And then we have a lot of different activities. We have some publications, which are more marketing oriented. We have brochures, we have product guides for the system designer. We also offer some consultancy services. We provide education activities like this event today. And we also are testing CAN open devices and CAN open FD devices. And we're organizing the industry conferences, and especially the International CAN conference. And the next International CAN conference takes place in June. Who is interested in CAN XL and maybe other very deep technology information, then you should go to the ICC conference, because there are the experts exchanging all their knowledge which they have. And I think this is a very good opportunity to get in-depth information directly from the experts.
So I will run a very brief presentation about our marketing services, as Holger mentioned already. And I would like to tell you about how you can grow your business with the help of our marketing opportunities. And first of all, I would like to mention that you can use our audience, which is pretty big. So we have approximately 23,000 monthly subscribers for CAN Infomail and CAN Member News, which are monthly email newsletter services. Above this, we have approximately 9,000 page views per month in our CAN newsletter online, for example. Here is the map where you can see a geography of our readers. So you can see they come from different countries and different continents, mostly Europe, but also North America, South America, and also Asia, which is China and Japan primarily. So we have some publication or online media which you can use for placing your advertisement. First of this media is CAN Newsletter Magazine, which is downloadable for free as PDF and is being published 4 times a year. Second one is our CAN Newsletter Online. It's an online digest with a lot of different articles, press releases, news from CAN industrial sector, and so on. This kind of online digest or journal where you can put your banners. We have different opportunities and different formats. Skyscraper, head banner, side banner. So we can find an individual solution for your needs. Also product guides with kind of catalog, which include 3 categories: CAN open, and J1939. Where you can find many different devices, CAN-related devices, or put your own device in this catalog. So here you can see the types of banners, and of course every details and information about the publication opportunities you can find in our media kit, which is available at our homepage. Last but not least, is very important service of us unfortunately, for a well-known reason, we couldn't participate in any exhibition last year and this year, but we are still optimistic and will hope that we can start this cooperation, this type of business next year again. So being our member, for our members, we have such a service that you can participate these exhibitions as our co-exhibitor, or you can demonstrate your own device at a so-called demonstration wall at different exhibitions. As you see here on these pictures, these pictures was captured at SPS Nuremberg. So we have such kind of wall where you can place your product. And just follow up our timetable, our schedule for exhibitions. We are going to participate next year. I think all exhibitions now planned for 2022. And you can participate as a co-exhibitor, being our member at Bauma Munich, at ConExpo Las Vegas, or you can put your devices at this demonstration wall at such exhibition as SPS Nürnberg, Embedded World, Bauma Munich, Interlift Augsburg, Agritechnica Hannover, Bauma Shanghai, maybe sometime, if it will be possible to participate. IAS, Shanghai, and some others. So we will be very glad to support you. If you have any questions, just write us an email at publications@cia.org. Me or my colleague Tobias will be very happy to support you. Thank you very much for your attention and have a nice day. Bye-bye. If you have any question, please, you are welcome.
Thank you, Rosanna, for this information, updating those which are interested in the marketing opportunities of CiA. So I hand back to Peter. Peter Felmet is now, you should stop sharing, please.
I'm trying to stop it, but just
Peter will give us now a presentation on the ISO-bus, which is standardized in ISO 11783 series. This was originally developed in Germany, I think already starting mid of the 80s, and then it took some more than 20 years to become a standard in the ISO. But now it's very successful and used by many people worldwide.